What's up, people?
Hi, I'm not a regular hiker. I'm a yogi. I'm a journalist.
I'm a chef. I'm a hiking maniac.
I'm a fashion designer.
I'm a forex trader. I'm an entrepreneur.
I'm an accountant. I'm the most regionally lady.
I'm also an economist.
And I'm a graphic designer.
Guys, but I just stay at home, crochet.
I'm a logistics manager.
It's Cliff again. Welcome on my channel. So today I am in Ntchisi Forest. Guys, it's gonna be an amazing day. And Lilongwe Hikers Club, always the funniest and the most amazing hiking crew, team, family. I don't know, whatever you can say, but yeah, it is what it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and then share this video with friends so that they can also see how much fun we are having. Otherwise, let's get it. This is the route that we're taking. It's gonna be fun. And
Fitness, ne? Sinabwere kucheza wambiri kujambulisa. Zinazo tipange kusogolo wete.
amene alimbi mozi mwanyamata oyang'anira Lilongwe Hikers Club. Otherwise, it is what it is, guys. We are now getting inside. Don't forget to subscribe. We asking God to be with us on this hiking, on this adventure. Otherwise, let's get in. We're now inside the jungle. It's getting exciting. We've just started. But this is noon. Like, it's noon. I mean, afternoon hours. And
13:47.
13:47, imagine. The time we are starting to do the hike. So I don't know how long we're gonna take to get to the peak and get out of the mountain, like climbing down. I don't know. But I just heard that it's gonna take about 4 hours, 3 hours. So which means we should be expecting to be climbing down somewhere around 4 or 5. And to move from here to Lilongwe, it's gonna take us another 4 hours. Guys, it's crazy. I don't know, but I'm trying to make the most out of everything. Let me show you this. This is amazing. That's amazing. Amazing stuff about Ntchisi Forest. Hey guys, I'm looking pretty good, huh? Subscribe. Wow, guys, why are we so packed in the city when there's plenty of land out here? Damn, guys, Ntchisi is also very big. Look at this. Down there is the forest, and up there, I don't know. But, actually, guys, this is crazy. Yeah, I love this place. No, just see. Just see. Oh! What are those guys doing down there? Damn. Yeah, but you can see, guys. Plenty of land. Guys are just coming out. Yeah. Mola, she's speaking English. I love it. Guys, Malawi is very rich, guys. And you can't tell me that there's no minerals within these hills and valleys. Yo. Yeah, the breeze is really nice also. I'm enjoying it.
Hello, how is it? Are you happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Yes, brother.
Hey, man.
How is it, man?
That's beautiful, huh? Absolutely.
Mr. Cliff, may you please give me a time?
Yeah. What's up, people? So we are still hiking. No, just got out of the forest. Now we are starting the mountain.
Okay.
So, but honestly, I love the whole adventure so far, and it's really been nice, guys. You guys talk about jungles, but I've been in the real jungle.
Oh yeah.
The real jungle. You saw where we're coming from. So yeah, it's really nice, and there's a little bit of you can call it a forest or whatever, but yeah, it is a jungle. So call me George.
George of the jungle.
So, right now we're about to start hiking. So how is it been like?
Oh man, it's exhausting, but the experience is quite exasperating.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
First time coming here.
yeah, it's my first time.
No, it's my first time also. You must be used to hiking.
Not really. This should be my third or fourth hike. I don't really.
Yeah. I can see. But I'm really impressed with this team because I haven't seen any lady dragging or staying behind. Everybody's like staying in the rain, which is really very good. And I think if the pace continues like this, instead of 4 hours, it's gonna be 2 hours. You get it, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, but otherwise, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell
Button.
and button
Yeah.
and want the people to subscribe.
Yeah. How is it? Are you happy?
Very happy.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
Nice. Man, tell us your name.
This done.
Dan.
Yeah.
Okay, you're from
Lilongwe.
Lilongwe.
Bunda side.
Bunda side.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hello, man. Bravo, man.
Yeah.
How is it?
Everything is all good.
You are Tony, right?
Yeah, Tony.
How is it? So good, eh?
Yeah, everything's so good.
Not so
I
bad.
can't complain.
Nice.
I can't complain.
Okay. Hello, miss. What's your name? Carol. How's been your hike? Good, but you look exhausted.
No,
Eh?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, cool. Yes, brother.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, man. How is it? How's the hike?
It's going well. It's going well.
Nice.
Well.
We should go to the peak. Nebo. Yes, my sister. How are you? What's your name?
Good, I'm Nora.
Nora. How is your hike?
Same. It's going on good. I'm not in the very back.
Uh-huh.
You know, other people are not yet here. So
They're
I'm
not yet
in
here.
that group. So
Oh.
I'm happy that at least I'm not behind.
So you're in the first group?
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Get it?
Hi.
Hi.
The queen of the house. How is it?
What's up?
But you know, I'm just getting the content. Wow, you guys look cute. Have a pause. You know it's a video, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yebo. Yes, brother.
Why we are not including
The graphic designer.
You know what? There's one thing I want to tell people. It's like last time I was telling people that it's Molash graphics.
Oh, yes.
Don't worry about that. But then I was telling people that life is like hiking.
Okay.
Yes, you have to get on top. You struggle to get on top, but when you get there, oh, okay.
Yeah, just proceed.
Okay.
When you get there.
Yeah, of course. When you get there, the views are worth it.
Nice.
The very same thing about hiking. But then you have to take responsibility.
good here. It's good.
It's giving, eh? It's giving African vibes.
Yes.
Yes, my sister.
Loving
How is it?
Experience.
Uh-huh.
Look at the view.
Oh, yeah! You can't see this on TV. Trust me. You can't see this on TV. You!
Hey, sweetie.
Our designer.
Hey, guys.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. So how's been your hike experience?
This one's been terrible, guys. I won't lie. Like,
But then I feel like this is so easy.
I know, like we've been the worst experience, but then this one almost took me out. But we haven't made it yet. For some reason, I mean, look at this. It's so pretty. Like after all that struggle, yeah, you're like, I aced that.
Okay. Nice. Yes, my brother. Zabo. That was it, man. And what is really happening?
Open space.
Open space. Okay.
We go to open space for the Balibe Mbili. Mpepo iziomba kwambiri kwa kuti kulimikira ngoyo tinana kwambiri ndi mphepo ije kati muja ipo pangisa kuti mphepo ije kulabwera
Okay.
kala ka fresh air so kufaya kuti timayenda kumusi kuja kuona kuti dzuwa kulika
Ka fresh air kabwino. All right. What's your name again? Hudson. Man, adawa ndi amenala tour guide afe. A top G. Ainaga everywhere in here. He knows every way. Hey Chisomo. Hey Grace.
Hi.
What's up?
Just having fun.
Okay.
Give me your number.
Okay. Mr. Cliff. Mr. Cliff.
I think.
Hey you. Hello.
Hey,
What's your name?
my name is Racing Kandawile.
Kandawiri. Okay, so how's been the hike experience?
Has been so good.
Super, eh?
Yeah, very super.
What's your name again?
Racing Kandawile.
Vicing? Versi. Like VERSCY.
No, VERCY.
Okay. And you? Hello. What's your name? Maureen who?
Hi.
Are you even Malawian?
Yes.
Are you sure?
My name is Zimbabwean. Yes, the name is Shona.
Okay. Yeah, I was wondering. How's been the hike experience?
It's been good for the first time, huh?
Uh-huh.
I've been at the plant.
It's your first time to hike or to come to Ntchisi?
No,
Okay. Super.
So being a first timer and being in the front always,
Yeah.
that's a thumbs up for me.
It's not my first time, it's my second time in Ntchisi.
First time in Ntchisi. But 10 plus.
Hi guys. This is not my first hiking. This is my fifth hiking this year.
My first hiking this year.
This is not my first time hiking. This is my fifth time.
Hi.
My first time hiking this year. This is my sixth time. Hey, this is my 10th time hiking.
It's not my first time, I'm the ancestor, man.
This is not my first time. It's my 8th time.
This is not my first time. I've lost count. Moving with faith. I hope people are where we are. Grace, what do you think? Are we on the right track? Are we on the right trail?
So, hi guys.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm tired. It's been like 2 hours and 30 minutes now since we've been walking back.
It's been 2 hours.
Yeah. It's been 2 hours now.
Damn, who does that? Us! We do that.
Burning
But,
fats! Calories! Caroli! Ben Caroli!
So is that why you think hiking is good?
Yeah, sometimes. Keeping
Sometimes?
myself fit,
Yeah.
apparently, physically, and burning farts.
Oh my goodness. Guys, me, I didn't know. That's another reason why we hike. But for me, I don't have any problem with burning fats, what. But I just feel like this is part of me, so I have to be here. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Behavior!
Tourist behavior. It's risky, but great. Like, imagine this forest. What if something just come from nowhere? Trust me, nothing is coming back.
Wanna guys, one PCA fe. Say ho! In the jungle.
Adrian, wait. I'm in the jungle. So call me.
Jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Are we Maui?
Okay, so in Zomba they have tickets or you can get in. The fancy been about get Papanga. So this is a giant tree in Ntchisi. As you can see, it's giant, just like me.
If you get snacks free.
You know, say your last words. So Ino's getting in. I don't think I can manage to go through. Bravo. How is it? So far so good, man. Yeah. If anyone wants to go, that's okay. Grab the phone because in the feeling of one, so you can grab the phone. Yeah.
I go with it?
Yeah.
Really?
Grab my guy.
Okay, after I go,
So that's the way. All of you guys, ladies, come here. Say hi to the camera before getting in. What? What's that? I just do it for me. It's a fear of something. Oh, okay. Welcome, beautiful people. You can try without your bag. Yes, brother. Give Lord. Welcome. Sorry.
Awimbawe.
Awimbawe. I know you're enjoying my content, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah.
Let's
So
go.
yeah, I've heard that this is the jungle that they used to film Tarzan.
Yes, guys. In case you didn't know that in Malawi we have these type of things, but today you're gonna witness.
You're gonna witness today. That's Grace saying. So we're gonna find out. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share the video with friends. So we are on another trail. There are 2 roads, 2 trails. Which one?
Whether to take the long one or to take the shorter one.
It's time for wrong turn. Let's see.
And then I wonder.
Oh, this wasn't the wrong turn. It's still the same road. Still. Okay, cause so when we're in the mountains, we don't say road. We say what? No. A trail. Yeah. Looks like we are lost, guys. We are lost. Because hey! Can you hear me? You guys are looking cute. Are you there? No, nobody's replying, man. Damn, we must be lost. Because there was a trail, there were 2 trails somewhere there. So we needed to make a decision to take one. So I just hope people are using this one. But let's go, let's see. I just don't know, man. Yo.
So this is the giant tree, yeah? Giant tree. Yeah, just like me. You know, just like me.
So this is afternoon, but it feels like in the morning early because yeah, it's very, not that cold, but it's June. I don't know if you know what that means, but
Around 6 times. They're around 6 weather.
yeah, they're around 6
say that.
weather.
Around
No
6, 7
sand.
weather.
Yeah, it's really impressive.
Too
I'm
cool.
liking it. Too cool. Yeah, like a freeze, you know.
Mixing a breezy.
That one. Yeah, I'm trying to walk fast to catch up with the guys, but it seems like the guys have gone far.
But we're trying, guys.
We're trying.
Just the 2 of us.
We have seen a lot of trees like this. From what I know is that sometimes hyenas can hide inside, but not close to the trails like this. Yeah, should be far in deep forest. Yeah. Is this really a mountain or is this a forest?
I don't know. It's a forest.
Oh,
It's in Ntchisi
forest. Okay. The trails are good. Should try it out. Not alone though.
Simzagale safuna dajedu hapo. Ba. So I'm taking a video. Yeah. Say hi to the camera. While you've hugged the giant tree.
So every time we find people, Madisi and Mabida. So let's see what our Madisi. So look at her. She's just walking as if. What if a hyena comes? What are you gonna do?
Guys, I shouldn't lie. Me, I'll learn for my life. I love
Learn where?
life. I can't live rice and beans, guys. Impunga ni nyemba.
You know. Have you heard Kuti? When a lion faces you, you can take a tree
A
and
bag
put it on.
and put it like this.
No, the other way around.
The
Straight.
other way around?
No.
We
Straight.
have seen it in. God must be crazy.
Yeah, but it must be straight.
It must be
You need to
straight.
look like a giant,
Like this?
like that. Guys, that's crazy. Do you think a lion would fear that? A hyena would fear that? I would definitely chow you. Don't do that. Don't do what movies do.
I have a legs.
If you saw a hyena, what would you do?
Run.
Run away. This is the hyena's home.
Run off the tree.
This is the hyena's home. Where would you run? Huh? If you see a hyena, what would you do? Chat with it. Look at you. Can you chat with the hyena?
Kill it.
And greet him.
Kill it.
Kill the hyena.
A hyena. I want to meet a hyena.
Yeah.
That hyena was wearing a watch. Watch. My friend.
Yeah. You killed it. You fought.
Until I took that risk.
Damn. Would you believe that?
It was too smart.
I'm
not lying.
Limby.
I'm telling you. You don't know.
Guys, you need to hike so that you can hear stories like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, okay, go there.
So I told you this is a Tarzan place.
Yeah. Now I'm doing it.
Okay. So guys, like I told you that this is a jungle that they fruit.
Tarzan.
No, I thought it was tree. As you can see.
Hug it still.
Very warm.
Yeah, can you climb there?
So yeah, I'm just here to confirm that Tarzan was filmed in this jungle. I'm being big.
What's up, guys? So I've noticed today Ntchisi Forest doesn't have a peak. The guy told us Ntchisi Forest doesn't have a peak. Hey sister,
It has a peak, but then it's not like.
it doesn't have this other concrete structure on the trigonometry. Yeah, so it's not as fun as you can imagine.
But it's beautiful though. You can give it that.
Everywhere in Malawi is beautiful.
Not everywhere. No.
Hi, hello.
Hi.
Innocent, how is it to hike without finding a trigonometry?
Just a walk in the forest.
Yeah, it's a walk in the forest.
So people, so now I'm told that we're getting towards the end of everything, like where the trail is, and I've been told that this forest doesn't really have a peak, but we have somewhere where we can say now we have gone through all the trails. We are done, we're coming out. So right here I have people, everybody's here. Of course there are a few people behind, but you know, it is what it is. So I just want to chill with these people and hear what they want to tell me. But yeah, let's see what these people have. So you can actually see them. They're all seated and tired. They're drinking, they're having food. So I'm gonna start with this one. Hi. How was it?
Worth it.
Worth it? Nice.
Good so far. It was good. It was fun actually. It was good. It's just that I was expecting to be on the peak.
That was beautiful views.
What are you eating?
Local popcorn.
Popcorn.
Left of it.
Ah,
Yeah.
Very good and nice.
nice.
Very challenging. It's good though.
Nice.
Actually, I love the nature.
You love the nature.
The environment is such beautiful.
Very good. Amazing. How was it? How was it?
It's okay.
It was good.
Wonderful, actually.
You look like you.
I had a good time, but it was tiresome as well.
How was it?
To me, it was nice.
How was it?
So far so good.
So far so good.
It was just a walk. Not a hike per se as we anticipated, but
Yeah.
it was worth it.
Nice.
In the forest.
Nice.
It was great. It was a walk in the park. In a rainforest, rather.
Walk in the back here. It was good. I loved it.
It was great.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I really loved it.
It was very good. Just sad that we didn't see the summit.
You're sad?
You know, the the summit.
You don't look sad.
I really wanted to see a rope.
That's good. It's good, man.
Nice.
It's good too.
It's fine.
Fine.
Very perfect, yeah.
Amazing.
What are we having?
Let me eat first.
How was it?
Find the energy.
How was it?
Adventurous because we got lost twice, but then we are here now.
It was actually we got lost. It was, you know what? Like we arrived at the what?
At the peak?
At the edge, not at the edge, but at the base of this mountain. Then we had to start making it way back, you know. Then we found that you guys draw an arrow, you know. Then there were some little, you know, that drew us to here. And thank you very much, guys.
Great.
You want me to talk about the bag?
No, the hike.
Okay, so it was bad. But since I have this bag,
Yeah.
the drink, my friend, it has been a nice adventure. Guys, do this when you have money. Amazing.
Was what?
You know the vibes. It was amazing. Now that we have food,
Because where is the food?
she's coming.
How was it?
I get fat today. I'll phone you.
Alright guys, so it looks like it's been a great adventure. Everybody is recommending it. It was nice, it was good, blah blah blah. And I just want to confirm that these guys are telling you the truth. It was really nice, and I hope when you also come here you're gonna enjoy it. Otherwise, continue watching this video. Now it's time for these people to feed me. Let's see what I'm gonna eat without me. You didn't need to call me. I was close by. Skydiving? Yeah, you wanna do risky stuff, huh?
Yeah. I just wanna feel different.
I say, my life is already risky.
I mean, I wouldn't mind doing that. So you have turned this into a kitchen?
I'm home. I'm home.
My brother. What's your word? I didn't even ask you. How was the hike?
The hike was so simple, man.
Was this and then this is not a hike, huh?
Just like the walk in the jungle, yeah? Yeah, but...
What was the most amazing thing throughout?
The amazing thing, I've met new people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one? Which one? Just mention the name.
The likes of Mouse, the likes of Limbi. Limbi Sim 2. This is Sim 1, the big brother. Yeah, and everyone.
I'll ask my Mouse. Do you know Kasim?
Yeah.
Who is Kasim?
Yeah, real.
Must be real. He's really made friends. Who else? No. Tell me the name. Who else?
Fraser.
Okay, who is Fraser?
This is the guy.
Hey, Fraser. Fraser. Do you know Asedi?
Sedi.
Yeah.
Sedi. Yeah, you got me.
Do you know Asedi?
Nah, don't.
Oh, bro. Which? Okay, he's Asedi.
No.
Him.
You said it's Kasim.
Yeah, he's Kasim Ased. Kasim Ased.
Oh, okay. I heard Kasim, same person. I know him.
Have you made friends?
Yeah, of course.
Who?
Of course, Miles. And then we have Ellie.
Who is Ellie?
Ellie. That lady with your expression.
Okay. Ellie?
Yeah.
This one? This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. Ellie. Do you know Innocent?
Innocent who?
Innocent.
Yeah. I think so.
Who is Innocent?
I know a lot of Innocent.
From here?
Yeah, Innocent.
Do you know Innocent from here?
No. You.
Damn! This is crazy. Ah, Ino.
So you say you lied.
You lied, man. She doesn't know you. She doesn't know you. Ellie, you sure you don't know her? You don't know him?
Not even from here, from somewhere else.
But I asked you. Damn. You must be a bad friend. He mentioned you that he has met a friend here.
No, that's wrong. Because he's already my friend.
Have you made friends here?
Huh?
Here.
Have I what?
Have you made friends here?
Yeah.
Who?
All those people are my friends.
Who?
Are you not my friend?
Who?
No, say it now.
Just tell me. Have you made new friends here?
Yes.
Who?
The girl
Just the name.
The girl with dreads.
What's her name?
Yes, I've made a new friend.
The guy in the jungle hat. I feel like
What's
they're
her
really
name?
close to my face.
What's her name?
What's her name? The girl with dread.
She's Grace. I'll ask her.
Oh, great.
What's her name? Kitty. Grace, do you know Kitty?
Yeah.
Who is Kitty?
The girl in a birdie and grasses in taking similar to mine, but a little bit
Nice. Have you made friends?
different. Yeah.
Who?
Kasim.
Yeah.
Vesi.
Who is Vessi?
She's right there.
Yeah.
There's Mbumba as well. I've also made what should I say? Agazanzang.
Who?
Tembi.
Okay. What's your name?
Marine.
Okay, fine. Tembi, do you know Sharai? Do you know Sharai?
Shoran.
Shoran, do you know Shoran?
My lady.
Alright, correct. Have you made friends here?
Yes.
Who? Just mention a name.
Kasim. Caro.
Who is Caro?
Caro? I can see her. I don't know. I can see her right now.
Who else? Who else?
I said Kasim.
Who else? What's your name?
Nora.
Nora, okay. Do you know Nora?
Yeah, I know.
Who is Nora?
She's a certain lady. I think she's wearing pink pants.
Wow, correct.
Yeah.
I know. Mumba, do you know Nora? Do you know Nora?
She doesn't.
This is very embarrassing. So I asked Nora, have you made friends here? She said yes. Mention one name, Mbumba.
Okay.
Now I'm asking you, Mbumba, do you know Nora? You don't know her.
I'm really bad with names.
You're a bad friend.
I'm not. I'm just bad with names. Nora!
Did you make friends or have you made friends?
Yes, I did.
Who?
Maureen. Oh, yes, I know her.
Maureen?
Yeah.
And who? Which one? Okay. Maureen. Who else? Cousin. Oh, no. And who else? Huh? Japan?
That's already her friend.
Uh-huh.
Down to that one.
Which one?
Tembi. No. She already knows Tembi.
Okay.
Oh, no. It's not her first time meeting Tembi.
Okay. Kitty, yes.
Okay, fine. Who is Kita here? Do you know Tiwe?
No.
For real?
And she mentioned you.
You don't know Tiwe?
I've already known her by face.
Damn! You guys, have you really made friends? Okay. Kasim, do you know Tiwe? Yeah. Okay, she mentioned you. Tembi, do you know Tiwe? Do you know Tiwe? For real? Hey, guys, I think we need to start again from the base hiking so that these people can get to know each other because it's crazy. Otherwise, guys, I hope you're enjoying this content. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. She's got something to say.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Clifford Mulauzi. Clifford Mulauzi. Yeah. I've got guests on my YouTube channel. Say something.
Hi guys, my name is Kitty, at Kitty Tees on Instagram, at Kitty Choco on Twitter, at Kitty Choco Cat on TikTok. Please follow me. I post nice stuff. They're okay. You're gonna love it.
Tell the people to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Amazing. Guys. Alright guys, so we are going down after the hike. Not really the hike, but I should say after the trail walk whatsoever. And it was fun. It was good. Let's see. This is Ntchisi. I think this is the only challenging place that I've found so far, but people are climbing down with hands. Now, this is something that we can just do with legs. Look at me now. I'm just kidding. Be careful. Yeah, so we've passed through and there we come.
Yep. We've made it past the trail. Now we're going down. I think we still have a long way to go. But yep.
Patience and keep fighting. I don't know what we are fighting, but
we're
gonna keep fighting. Yeah. I hope you're liking this content, so don't forget to
like and subscribe.
Guys, I don't know where we are, but it looks like there's another mountain here. Wow. This is amazing. Guys, don't be childish, just go up there. This is the only time my shoe has never failed me. Limbikani. Guys, we are on the what? The peak. Guys, this is the peak. I don't know how many meters, but it says Ntchisi South. So I don't know what
Make
that
sure
means.
you guys you're not in the
There's
short journey.
1977. I think that's the year this peak was founded.
Guys,
I don't know, but you guys, let me just show you some views also. Yeah. People, we're getting towards the end of the video. That's how the vlog or the hiking was. It was very fun. We have had so much fun, but thank you guys for watching the video again, and just don't forget to subscribe.